Ever wondered which titan of the crypto exchange world truly reigns supreme? In the blue corner, we have Kraken, a veteran known for its robust security and diverse offerings. And in the red corner, Binance, the undisputed heavyweight champion in terms of sheer volume and a dizzying array of features. If you're navigating the choppy waters of cryptocurrency trading, choosing the right exchange is paramount. It can be the difference between smooth sailing and getting swept away by unnecessary fees or security breaches. So, the million-dollar question is, Kraken versus Binance, which one deserves your hard-earned crypto and your trust? That's precisely what we're diving deep into today. We're not just scratching the surface, we're dissecting these two giants across the crucial pillars that matter most to you: fees, security, the range of cryptocurrencies they offer, user experience, and those all-important extra features that can make or break your trading journey. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Both Kraken and Binance are behemoths in the crypto space, serving millions of users globally. Kraken, founded in 2011, boasts a long and relatively unblemished track record, often lauded for its commitment to security and regulatory compliance. Binance, while younger, founded in 2017, has rapidly ascended to become the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, offering an extensive ecosystem of products and services. Now, let's tackle the first crucial aspect: fees. Nobody likes paying more than they have to, especially when it comes to trading. Both Kraken and Binance employ a tiered fee structure, meaning the more you trade, the lower your fees become. However, the specifics of these tiers and the base fees can differ significantly. Kraken's fee structure generally operates on a maker-taker model. Makers are traders who add liquidity to the order book by placing limit orders that aren't immediately filled. Takers are those who remove liquidity by placing market orders that are executed instantly. Kraken's base taker fees typically start around 0.26% and decrease as your 30-day trading volume increases. Maker fees are often lower, starting around 0.16% and also decreasing with higher volume. They also offer different fee schedules for stablecoin pairs and margin trading. Binance also utilizes a maker-taker model, but its base fees are generally lower than Kraken's. For regular users, taker fees start at 0.1% and maker fees at 0.1%, with further reductions based on your 30-day trading volume and your BNB, Binance Coin, balance. Holding and using BNB to pay for fees can significantly reduce your trading costs on Binance, often by an additional 25%. This is a significant advantage for users who are comfortable holding and utilizing BNB. When it comes to deposit and withdrawal fees, the landscape varies. Both exchanges offer multiple options, including bank transfers and cryptocurrency transfers. Kraken generally has lower fees for bank transfers, depending on your region and the currency. Cryptocurrency deposits are usually free on both platforms, while withdrawal fees vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency and network conditions. It's crucial to check the specific withdrawal fees for the coins you intend to trade, as these can fluctuate. In summary, for users with lower trading volumes, Binance often presents a more cost-effective option, especially if they utilize BNB for fee discounts. However, Kraken's fees become more competitive at higher trading volumes, and their stablecoin and margin trading fees might be more attractive to specific types of traders. Next up, the paramount concern for any crypto trader: security. In the wild west of the internet, protecting your digital assets is non-negotiable. Both Kraken and Binance have invested heavily in security measures, but their approaches and historical track records offer some nuances. Kraken has built a strong reputation for security over its long history. They employ a multi-layered security strategy that includes cold storage for the majority of user funds, meaning these funds are kept offline and are significantly less vulnerable to online attacks. They also utilize two-factor authentication, 2FA, for account access, email confirmations for withdrawals, and robust encryption protocols. Kraken has a relatively clean security record, with no major hacks reported in its history, which speaks volumes in the crypto space. They also actively encourage users to adopt strong security practices on their end. Binance, being the larger target, has faced security incidents in the past. In 2019, they experienced a significant hack that resulted in the theft of approximately 7,000 Bitcoin. While Binance handled the situation transparently and reimbursed affected users through their Secure Asset Fund for Users (SAFU), it serves as a reminder that even the largest exchanges are not immune to attacks. Since then, Binance has significantly bolstered its security infrastructure, implementing similar measures to Kraken, including cold storage, 2FA, whitelisting of withdrawal addresses, and advanced risk control systems. They also actively invest in security research and collaborate with security firms. While both exchanges employ robust security measures, Kraken's longer history without a major breach might offer a degree of reassurance to some users. However, Binance's proactive response to past incidents and their ongoing investments in security demonstrate their commitment to protecting user funds. Ultimately, user vigilance, such as enabling 2FA and being wary of phishing attempts, remains crucial on both platforms. Now, let's talk about what you can actually trade, the range of cryptocurrencies offered. This can be a significant factor depending on your investment strategy and interest in specific altcoins. Binance generally boasts a significantly larger selection of cryptocurrencies compared to Kraken. They offer hundreds of different coins and tokens, including many smaller and newer projects. This vast selection can be attractive to users looking for exposure to a wider range of assets and potentially higher growth, albeit riskier, investments. Binance is often quicker to list new and trending cryptocurrencies. Kraken, while offering a more curated selection, still provides access to a wide range of major cryptocurrencies and many popular altcoins. They tend to focus on more established and liquid assets. While their selection might not be as extensive as Binance, they do offer access to many of the most important and actively traded cryptocurrencies. Kraken also provides access to fiat currency pairings with several major currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, CAD, AUD, and JPY, which can be important for users looking to easily on-ramp and off-ramp their funds. The choice here depends on your needs. If you're looking for access to a vast universe of cryptocurrencies, including more obscure altcoins, Binance likely has the edge. However, if you primarily focus on major cryptocurrencies and are comfortable with a slightly smaller but still comprehensive selection, Kraken's offerings will likely suffice. Moving on to user experience. A platform can have low fees and great security, but if it's clunky and difficult to navigate, it can be a major deterrent. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.